Coming up, I will help you determine if starting a side hustle is worth it. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. The secret to getting ahead is getting started, said Mark Twain, an American writer. A side hustle is a great way to earn money outside your 9-to-5 job. It gives you the flexibility to work hard on something you love when you have time, hence the name side and hustle. For many of us who are drained from our 9-to-5 day jobs, seeking more financial security sounds interesting, but it also sounds like a lot of work. How can one determine if starting a side hustle is worth it? People who invest in a side hustle are looking for more money beyond their 9-to-5 salary and want to build a financial cushion. Instead of watching TV at night, turn your evening time into earning time with a side hustle. You won't have to leave your house for most side hustles, and you can earn some extra money to make a difference in your lifestyle. This all sounds good, but building a side hustle is not easy. It takes time, effort, and energy. Here are 7 things you should consider before you start a side hustle. Number 1, know your why. You must first know why you want to start a side hustle. You must understand why you want to do this and how you will make it sustainable. Do you want to use the money for a short-term or long-term goal? Do you want to become a full-time entrepreneur one day? When you identify your driving force behind the side hustle, you'll be able to better deal with the day-to-day challenges of starting and keeping your side hustle going. Number 2, do your homework. Once you have some ideas on potential side hustle, you must research them to see if they meet a need, solve a problem, and inspire you. It would help if you learned your side hustles in and outs before starting it. Do your research to make sure the side hustle can help you. Determine what resources you need to get started. For example, if you want to start a YouTube channel, you'll need to determine what camera, microphone, and editing software you can use to produce the videos. If you want to blog, you must decide whether you want to blog on your own website or write on Medium. You should know your target audience and how you can serve them better than other people. What needs or problems does your target audience have? Can you develop products, services, and content to help them? Number 3, recognize your passion. Next, your side hustle should be something you want to do, want to achieve, and want to be. You should know your strengths and what interests you to spend your precious time and energy. Passion is energy. Feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you, said Oprah Winfrey, an American talk show host, TV producer, actress, and author. You must be clear about your passions, skills, and interests. Number 4, be patient. A side hustle is a big experiment. You must be patient and realize that because one side hustle didn't work, that doesn't mean your second or third side hustle won't. Your first side hustle may not be the one that helps you achieve your goals. However, it can give you insights, ideas, resources, and relationships to help you with your second side hustle. You can learn more from your failures than you can successes. Number 5, understand the legal and financial aspects. A side hustle will increase your taxes, so you must plan. For example, a good rule of thumb is to save 20 to 35% of your side hustle money for taxes. You may be able to write off some of your expenses from your taxable income. If your side hustle is just starting out and you only earn a couple $100 a year, you may need to not worry about estimated taxes. Talk to a tax advisor about your side hustle to understand the tax implications. A side hustle may make your taxes more complicated, so be prepared. Keep receipts from your side hustle related expenses and earnings in one place, because if you make purchases for your side hustle, you may be able to deduct taxes. Most side hustles have startup costs, so keep those costs in mind when you start. You most likely will need to form a business entity for your side hustle, but check with an accountant to be sure. When you start a side hustle, think about opening a checking or savings account for expenses and earnings related to your side hustle. Also, double check your employment agreement to see whether you can do a side hustle or not. Number 6, determine how much time you can dedicate. A side hustle is all about consistency, so you must determine how much time and money you'll be able to put into a side hustle ahead of time. To keep you going daily, you may want to find a good team of advisors to support you. Side hustles fail when you are not consistent. To be successful with the side hustle, you must set a strict schedule and stick to it. Stay diligent and block out your time for your side hustle in your calendar. You may want to place reminders around your home and workspace and create a list of tasks you need to start your side hustle. Number 7, start small and build momentum. A side hustle can be challenging, so you may want to run a trial before going all in. Some people don't start a side hustle because they think you need a lot of money. That is not not true. However, many people overinvest initially, which gets them into trouble. Start small with your side hustle and build momentum. Work with what you have. Perhaps you only have a laptop, paper, post-it notes, a printer, and some knowledge about some topics. Your side hustle may not turn a profit right away. The beauty of starting a side hustle is that you don't have to wait for your 9-to-5 boss to give you a raise. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. There are 7 things you should consider before starting a side hustle. Know your why, do your homework, recognize your passion, be patient, understand the legal and financial aspects, and determine how much time you can dedicate. Start small and build momentum. Knowing these things lets you choose if starting a side hustle is worth it. You can efficiently work on a side hustle at night while you work during the day. A side hustle is fun because you pursue something you are passionate about. A side hustle can combine your interests with your desire to earn more money on the side. Thank you for watching. Until next time.